Hey folks, so I'm back with another camping video. This time I'm going to be staying in a what's called a geometric dome. So it's like a luxury cabin. Going to stay for a night. They got a fireplace, all that different type of stuff. So you'll notice I have my truck ready to go. So I'm going to be on my way over there. But I also shared in the beginning of this video, I got a motorcycle. So this one I got private sale, really cleaned it up and everything. So I look forward to possibly sharing this in some of my future videos. I might do some riding videos, and who knows, maybe I'll stop and stay at like a cabin or something. I'd probably get some more bags or another bag so I can carry whatever equipment I need if I do that. But this, I'm really happy with it. All right, let's go. Well, here we are, folks. Got these huge glass panel windows here. Nice seating area. Beautiful accent lighting. There's also a bed up there, which is pretty cool. So they have a nice loft with this ladder. Plenty of towels. And a rain shower head. I always love those. Let's take a look up the ladder. That's cool. And they got these rooftop windows, so if the stars are out, you can see them while you're sleeping. Next, I'm gonna get some firewood. They do have a open store area a little ways away I could walk down to through the woods. It's pretty cool, it's self-serve. You might recognize it. So I'm gonna go over there, go get that, get the fire pit set up. I got some smoked sausages, a few burger patties, hamburger patties, and some other stuff. And I noticed it's kind of interesting because this year marks the 250th anniversary of the United States, so I've been noticing all this marketing material with all these different food brands that are marking, America 250th edition, which is kind of interesting. I know the 4th of July, Independence Day, is just around the corner, but this was a much needed day off and time for relaxation that I needed, and I'm able to share it with you folks, share the experience, share the location, and that's what I enjoy to do. I know it's been a long time since I made my last video, and I'll do it every so often, occasionally, whenever I go on a trip or have a new experience I want to share with you folks. So here is yet again another one. So let's go over there and get some firewood. So they have different kinds of what they call geometric domes. Also got A-frames. We're heading right over there to that side store. So interesting thing is the mini split AC unit doesn't seem to be working, but there's going to be somebody coming by to make sure it works, and the maintenance had me grab this remote from another unit, an A-frame over there, the one right there, so that could make it work in the meantime. And wow, this looks a lot different than what I remember. Well, would you look at this? Looks like they made some changes. Wow. Look at that. Now it looks like they have these little... That's cool. Got stickers, some merch. And of course, you got that firewood. You also got this here, this cart, if you need one. So the last time I was here, this was completely open. It looks like they're doing some building. Oh, that's cool. It's a flippin' hot tub. I think they're hot tubs. And seating and everything. That's really cool. Wow. This is where I stayed last time, right over here. That's awesome. That is beautiful. So now they're gonna have some hot tubs, and it's a completely enclosed area on that end. Some seating areas. Right by the seating, it looks like they have an enclosed gas fireplace. All right, got my firewood. Have to get some matches because, of course, I forgot to bring a lighter. At least something. All right, let's do it. So the funny thing is, I thought I didn't have a lighter. Apparently I did. But I'm still gonna use the matches. Unless I need the lighter. Just bought these, so might as well. Alright, I'm just gonna use the lighter. Alright, so put this and this. Some of these. Let's bring it outside. Looks like the fire's working out pretty good.